Guys, today I have an extremely important video because I have changed my mind and I am going to enter into a trade right now, which I think is going to be in massive profits in just a couple of hours. Guys, you will want to watch this video because we do have an incredible event coming up in just a couple of hours, which is going to have a big effect on the crypto markets. I'm going to go through everything you need to know here in today's video. So stick around, guys. This is definitely a video you will want to watch. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it and what has changed here for me. Because in yesterday's video, you know that I was telling you that today you are going to have massive volatility in the markets because of the inflation data coming up here. Now, the inflation data is predicted to be at 8.1%. It was previously at 8.5 year-on-year inflation, so it is predicted to come down a little bit. The question is it going to come down lower than 0.4%, so lower than 8.1? Well, I think that could be likely. And if you look at the chart here, you know that I was telling you about this massive resistance yesterday, and this is massive resistance. Make no mistake about that. But look at this. This truly looks like it wants to go higher, guys, because we went up here to the edge, went down, we went to this edge here first, boom, down, consolidation, second edge, boom, down, and now this really looks like it wants to go up. Now, it doesn't matter that much because no matter how bullish this looks, if the inflation data comes out and the market reacts badly to it, and I'm going to explain exactly how you will know if they are going to react badly or not, then this is not going to matter. It's going to go down either way. But in general, this looks very bullish. Now, we do have this resistance. The next one we have is at 24,400. So yeah, these resistance levels are very clear, very defined, but I am going to enter into a trade here. I'm going to do it on Femex. So let's do it straight away. I am going to go in with something like $45,000, entering that long as a market order right now. So you can see my order is active right now, guys. So what is the strategy? Well, I am going to add a stop loss right here. So no matter what happens, I am not going to lose a lot of money on this trade. So this is the stop loss. If we enter this trade range, that's it. I'm out of the trade. But I think there's a pretty high chance that we could see some nice, quick upside here to the next level of resistance at 24,300. Or at the very least, a nice pump here. And then we can reevaluate, we can take profit, we can move up the stop loss, which is initially at this point. We can move it up as Bitcoin goes up. Now, this is, of course, a trade. Every trade is a risk. So utilize good risk management. This is not financial advice. As always, I'm just showing you exactly what I am doing here. And why do I think that the inflation might come down lower than expected here? Because I see so many people being bearish right now. There's a lot of bearish sentiment in the market. And I do believe that there is a decent chance that we could see lower inflation than what is predicted by the market here. Also, this looks kind of like this one right here. So this looks very, very similar. Breaking above this and, breaking above this, making this support, and then taking off to the upside. So on the daily time frame, this is a fractal. This looks like it wants to repeat. Also, on this chart, what you want to watch out for is the RSI, because you are right now on the edge of the resistance of the RSI here. And every time we have broken above this similar pattern previously, we've had massive pumps for Bitcoin. So you can see how things are lining up. We already know that we have a lot of indicators, a lot of on-chain indicators as well, pointing towards the bottom already being in. Now for Ethereum, of course, the merge is coming up in just a couple of days. This is the situation for Ethereum. Of course, if Bitcoin pumps, it's going to drag Ethereum along with it. If it goes down, you do have the support here at 1,656. Traditional markets are right at the massive resistance here as well. But just like I said, if inflation, because it seems like there's a lot of bearish sentiment in the market, and if inflation comes in lower than expected, again, utilize a good stop loss here, guys. Utilize the stop loss so you do not get wrecked. So at the very least, you're gonna get out at more or less break even, but you still get to keep that upside if we do see a massive pump to the upside. So what can we expect here? And what would be bullish? What would be bearish? Well, according to econometrics, anything above 8.4% would be bad. So if the inflation comes in higher, that would be very bad. The market is going to react badly. If we see a drop below 8.3%, that would be good. So the markets are most likely going to react well. If we do see a massive drop, which we could see it. It's a quite significant drop, but if we were to see down to 7.6%, that would be excellent. So this is what we can see from looking at historical month-on-month fluctuations. So guys, if you want to sign up for Phoenix, you know that you do have a massive bonus available. If you use my link right here, you can claim up to $4,500. So make sure to utilize this link. And guys, that's what I got for you. Let's see what is going to come in a couple of hours when the inflation data is being released. But nonetheless, yes, like I said, I am utilizing a good stop loss, so at the very least, I'm going to get out more or less at break even. But if we do see that pump to the upside, well, then that is, of course, a very nice trade to take advantage of. Guys, that's what I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.